Hi, what's up? In this video, let's take a look at one of the coolest features of the GoPro Hero 8 Black, which are the presets. Why do you need those? What can you do with it? Maybe customize, rearrange, and how you can create your own one. Okay, let's take a look at it. So, my name is Tomasz Nowacki and I make content about GoPro, some tutorial tips and travel videos as well. So if you are into that kind of stuff, consider subscribing as I'm going to upload more content about GoPro and everything that's related to it. So basically the presets are a tool that can actually speed up your process between switching all the settings that you want in every single mode, whether it's video mode, time-lapse mode, time warp or photo mode as well. So you can have presets in every mode you can possibly have. Every mode has 4 standard presets which you can customize, or if you, for example, want to create your own ones, you can also do it. Alright, so let's quickly create our own preset. Oh, and by the way, you can have only 10 presets, so this is the whole maximum that you can have. But how can you possibly move a preset or rearrange it? Let's take a look. Now let's assume that you completely messed things up and you want to reset your preset. So how can you possibly delete a preset? Let's take a look. what are these presets? Mainly, it's a tool for you to speed up the whole process of changing between the settings. You don't have to go to Protune every single time that you want to change something. For example, if you know what you want to achieve, for example, you go to scuba dive and you want to go with 4K and 24 frames per second, maybe you want to adjust your ISO to 400 and do some other changes, like maybe you want to change a field of view for super view or wide, then you don't have to do it every single time manually. You can just save a preset, it's gonna be there waiting for you whenever you want to just switch it. And for everyday use, you can go with cinematic, you can go with standard, for example, if you want to play with your family. So basically you don't waste time with sitting inside of Protune, you just save it once and it's done. So it greatly speeds up the whole process and saves your time. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope that this video was informative, that you learned something as well. And as always, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button so you don't miss on any other video that I'm gonna post in the future. And let me know what you think about the presets. Are they useful? Are you gonna use it? Or is this something that you actually are not interested with? Okay, give me a comment below and see you guys in the next one.